It's important to clean a room according to the sequence so that we ensure that every item is cleaned in the room thoroughly. We've been testing the sequence for quite some time to ensure that we maximise cleaning and minimise walking, so that basically a room attendant has more time to clean and uses less energy. So at the end of the day we have a cleaner room in the same amount of time. Yesterday I was doing a presentation to 5 room attendants and I was explaining the iClean programme, where it's come from, what it's all about, and the aims of the iClean, which is to have a perfectly clean room every time, which is consistent output. When I asked the maids how they cleaned their rooms and did they think they cleaned their rooms perfectly every time, the overall opinion from all the room attendants was no, they didn't. And it was very interesting to come to an agreement with all the maids that between the 5 of the maids I had sat there, they all agreed that they cleaned each one of their 16 rooms differently. So in the room at that time we had 80 methods of cleaning a room. We have some very experienced room attendants in the company, and it's their expertise and skills that we have used to put the iClean sequence together. The new sequence is going to be better for everybody. I think we should take room inspections away because the quality of a room inspection varies so much from hotel to hotel throughout the estate, and we've all seen instances when rooms have been put back into inventory for a guest to check into and they haven't been cleaned properly or checked properly, and that results in a guest complaint. The inspection process really adds no value to either the hotel or to the guest. The audit process is absolutely vital to the success of the whole programme. It is during the audit that you will highlight the areas of cleanliness that need to be rectified, and then obviously you'll go away and you'll retrain in those areas. If you don't audit thoroughly, you obviously won't highlight the areas of concern, therefore you won't do any training, and therefore you won't be improving your cleanliness. The auditors will obviously be auditing every day. We need to carry out 30 audits per room attendant per month for our data collection. So therefore we'll be doing less audits than we did room inspections. The auditor's time will be also dedicated to training. The training needs will be highlighted through the audit process, and we'll pick up on all the defects that need to be rectified. The system we currently have now of inspecting guest rooms doesn't ever guarantee a perfectly clean room. We will in future be auditing rooms at random. Therefore a room attendant will not know which room will be audited, so it will be in their best interest to make sure that all their rooms are perfectly clean. The purpose of the iClean programme is to ensure that every single one of our guest rooms is clean to the highest standard every day. From the audit data we can see in which areas the room attendants need to be retrained, and then that training is planned and implemented. Trigger value tells us exactly when a room attendant is performing below his or her average performance over a specific time frame. When this happens, training must be implemented immediately, either by the head housekeeper or by the auditor. Every hotel also has a trigger value, and these trigger values are worked out in exactly the same way for the hotel as they are for a room attendant. So difficult to select one bit of the iClean programme because all of it is fantastic. My personal favourite from the programme is the audit process and the toolkit, which I think is absolutely fantastic. The room audit and the room audit toolkit ensures that our rooms are clean and that they stay clean, which benefits our guests, which is great for all of us.